Hi, I'm Paul. We're doing Leetcode must-know interview questions. Today's challenge, longest common prefix. We've got to write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Okay. Constraints. Length of the array 1 to 2. So there's at least one word in the array. No empty input arrays, but there could be empty strings in the input array. Okay, so a couple ways I can think of to do this. One is just take the first two. Let's let's assume there's at least two entries in the array. Get the longest prefix for the first two, longest common prefix. Take that and find the longest common prefix with the next word, and take that and find the longest common prefix, and so on. That seems like a decent approach. I mean, there's only, at most 200 strings, 200 letters apiece, so that's manageable. I want to try a different approach, and that is to sort the array, because if we sort the array, then the first string and the last string will be the most different strings, and we can just do a comparison from between the first string and the last string. Find the common prefix. If they have a common prefix, then it's got to be a common prefix through the entire array. I guess you can see that from the examples here. This one, really any method that you use, you're going to find no common prefix pretty quickly. But this one, if we sorted it, it would be what? Flight, flow, flower. Flight, is that right? Flight, flow, flower. Right, okay. And then, so we'd compare flight and flower. We'd get FL, that's the common prefix. It's also the common prefix of the other word. So, all right, let's try that. Let me get the, int, let's say n equals strs dot length. So we don't have to keep writing that. All right, we have an n. If, okay, there's an edge case here, and that is if n equals 1. N equals 1. Let's just return strs 0. It's only one element in the array. All right. Next, sort it. Sort the array. Because we want to do, we're going to do a loop here. I think it would be easier if we knew the length of the words. So we could do this, int min equals, and we'll find the length of the shortest of the two words, the first word and the last word. So math, min, strs 0 dot length, and copy that. Let me move this over a little bit. Okay, and strs n minus 1 length. Let's see, is that what we want to do? So we've got the minimum of the two. Okay, yeah. And let's see. Yeah, let's do a loop index here and start it at 0 and say while we are still within the bounds of the shortest string and the corresponding characters of the string are equal. So that would be strs min minus 1. Yeah, I think so. I plus plus. Whoops. Indent that. All right, then the answer is I'm sorry, that's not min minus 1. It's n minus 1. First word and last word. String, prefix equals strings 0 dot substring. And it's going to go from 0 to I, or 1 less than I. So that should give us the common prefix, which we can then return. All right. Let's try it. Oh, did I submit that? I meant to run it. Well, all right. Well, that takes all the suspense out of it. Okay, so that is accepted. Okay, we did pretty good on the runtime. So the sort, well, I say pretty good. I mean, there's a long tail here. Okay, 1 millisecond memory. It's okay. Anyway, that's it. Sort the strings. Then you'll have the most different strings at the beginning and the end, and you only have to compare those two. That's it. Feel free to like, subscribe, and see you next time.